Hello guys, welcome back again. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, then subscription is must because we have great accuracy of our analysis, and all our subscribers and members are earning very good amount of money. So if we talk about current analysis of Solana, then break of structure had happened on 1 hour time frame, and no short term selling can come in this coin. So if we talk about 4 hour, then change of character also happened in the 4 hour. Market is moving upside because there was major fair value gap available, and that fair value gap is mitigated here. Evening morning star is formed, although third candle is not that much good, but still it's a valid morning star. This was a retest, and it has given up to this much. Okay, so it can go from this point to above, but it also have lower chances, because if we check the 1 hour, then it's a bearish, and this fair value gap can also play important role. So if we check this based on chart patterns, then it can behave like this, but that's a probability, that's not 100%. Usually market works in these type of head and shoulder and reverse head and shoulder patterns. Okay, so here you can see that bearish fair value gap is also available. So if market touches this fair value gap, then you can look for the bearish signs like bearish engulfing, evening star. Like here, for example, this was the fair value gap for the bearish side. Market touched it, formed this bearish engulfing. Market has retested up to this much in the next candle, and then suddenly moves downside. So I have already given this signal in my group, and this was a win. So this above was the SL, and this was the TP. So you can see how much risk to reward ratio we are following, and always work with the candlestick patterns, and all these fair value gaps will be definitely filled, but that depends on the market. It can also fail, and market can also work like this. But if it has to be broken, or if it has to go up, then in this fair value gap you will not found any bearish signs. So if you are not finding bearish signs, don't need it to enter. That's why we are using these candlestick patterns, so it can give us idea that this valid support and resistance, or this fair value gap is going to work or not. Okay, so these patterns are filtering out the false signals and gives us the clear path. If we blindly trade any fair value gap, if we blindly trade any pattern, if we blindly trade any support and resistance, then those are made to be failed, or those are made to be broken. So we have less accuracy, and of course loss of money in the form of stop losses and risk management is very necessary. Whatever you are doing trading in support and futures, risk management and putting your stop losses is required and necessary. Without these things you cannot be successful. Without stop loss you cannot successful. All my trades I already given you that. Like here, if you see, I have converted this $5,000 into more than 200k, and then this 200k I have achieved all this by placing stop losses. You can see my stop losses, and I usually hold for the long term, and all these trades are on the gold. Okay, I also have different crypto portfolio, but this portfolio is for the gold and forex. Okay, so this type of approach can also be used, but in this approach partial profit booking is very necessary. And if you wanted to follow the strict risk to reward ratios, then you can also do that, and you can go with it. There is not any issue. Also, you can join our premium group. Here it's very cheap, like $20 per month, and you will get a lot of signals on daily basis with the cryptos, with the gold and forex. So it's a best approach, a best thing to follow. All our members are earning very good amount of money. You will be added in WhatsApp group, and usually 2 or 3 signals are provided on daily basis.